Hello and welcome to this video on 4 reasons why you should be streaming with an iPad Pro. My name is Tyler Valencia and I'm the president of KIPS. Today we're going to talk about the iPad Pro. So if you are a virtual trainer or trying to improve your streaming workouts that you're giving to your clients, the iPad Pro is a great solution for you, but also for your business. If you are looking to upgrade, I'll say, but also show value. I think that is one of the key things that you want to think about with your streaming and why you should purchase this. The value that you're putting into your streaming workouts ultimately helps build your business. A correlation that I've made in the past is that when you go to a gym and you're a new trainer, you're trying to show potential clients, members, how you have value with your training. Investing in technology, an iPad Pro, it can solve a lot of different items for you. You can just check so many different items off, and that's what we're going to go after in this video. The first one we're going to talk about is the camera quality, and it's a big one, and that's why we're starting with it. With your online virtual workouts, having a quality looking workout helps show that value, but will help keep people tuned in. If they can't see you or it looks pixelated, what's going to stop them from going to another one? Here's one of those items that people will see it and be like, yep, just take my money. I already want to invest in it. So the iPad Pro, you can record videos in 4K at 24, 40, and 60 frames per second. If you don't really know what that is, don't worry. Just know that it's good for recording videos. For pictures, you can take them at up to 12 megapixels. Again, very good, a very good item that you can have in something that can also be your computer as well. So comparing that to a laptop, not even comparing in my opinion these days. And then last thing is the autofocus. It has a great autofocus, not something like a Sony a6400, which this is being recorded on, but something that's going to be solid for what you want to do with your workouts. So the next thing, and this one might be a little technical for some of the fit pros out there. I know that some of the fitness pros that I work with, they won't even know about this stuff or really care. They just want to know, is it fast? Is it going to work? The quick answer is yes. But from a technical standpoint, you're getting something that has up to 1 terabyte of storage. They have their models, they can go from 128 gigabytes up to that 1 terabyte, and there's 2 options in between that, so different options at different price points. The next thing is the A12Z Bionic chip. Again, something that just might go over your head, but it's something that's solid, it's new, it's not something from 10 years ago. The next thing is it has 8 cores in its GPU. This is great. Or something that's a laptop beater. This is what you're going to want for if you're streaming. If you're streaming your videos, your cores play a factor in your streaming, which is also related to your RAM. So this was kind of hard to find in researching the specs for the iPad Pro, but from what I can tell, these have 6 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, ideally from what I've researched, you have around 8 gigabytes of RAM, but with the 8 cores and the 6 gigs, you're not going to have any trouble streaming a high quality workout. Number 3 on this list, and this is why I highly recommend it, is that it can be a workhorse for your business. If you are looking for a laptop and you're thinking, okay, I do want something that I can run my business from, but it's also going to help with my streaming workouts, this is the answer in my opinion, and you should look at. The laptops out there, camera quality, not really that good. You probably will have to purchase an external USB camera, which I've seen a lot of people do. This is going to cover a lot of boxes right there. So you can film, you can edit videos if you're making a library or if you're providing them for your clients. You can return emails if you are running a business. Returning emails, big part of it. And you can also do your social media from it much easier. Many people know that it's hard or you have to figure out a system to post to social media sometimes. If you're sending it to your phone and then you're posting it, this will have the apps on them and you can directly post to them. So easy peasy for those wanting a one-stop shop for running a business, streaming workouts, social media, all those items bundled into it. Here's your answer. And then the last one, number 4, for why I think you should be streaming with an iPad Pro, is it's easy to set up with your filming gear. So if you're putting together a quality streaming workout, you're most likely going to have a tripod, an interface, a mixer, a nice microphone, all these items that cost money but do take some maneuvering to get them all to work. If you're using a mixer or interface, those things require power. I have seen just from experience with my other company, Time to Train, that you do need a battery source and a power source, sorry, but you need something to help power it on. And if you don't have that, your phone will say that this device needs more power. The iPad Pro, even though you do want to plug in the charger for it, and if you want to check out that video where we do utilize building a streaming package, we'll link it right up here. But this is powerful enough to power the interface or the mixer by itself. So big item right there that you can check off there, and you're not going to have to worry about if you're looking for a device that can do all those things. And then lastly, with the same kind of thing with the filming gear, it does both of them. I briefly mentioned before that this can act as your streaming device. So if you're in Zoom, Vimeo, or one of the other ones out there, that you can stream from this device. It's your camera. You're not having to plug anything into it. So it's just one less item to carry around. The point that I make sometimes is I do have nicer cameras. I do have the A6400, which this is being filmed on. But if I wanted to use that in a streaming capacity, I'll have to get my capture card, the cord, and I'll have to bring my computer or my laptop close by so I can plug those in. This isn't going to easily do that for me. So that's it for this video on 4 reasons why you should be streaming with an iPad Pro. If you're looking for more information on building a budget light, watch this video. Or if you want to figure out a way to use an external monitor, watch this video.